Alright, can I get a name and a badge number? Can I get a name and a badge number? Can I get a name and a badge number? Can I get a name and a badge number? I'm not getting a name and a no cooperation. No cooperation from the officer. Right at Ramesh place here. Right at Ramesh place you guys are working, and I'm asking for some assistance from the police of the nation. I want to know, don't want to give me assistance. A car licked my car. I want to ride there to assist traffic and ask for assistance. And the guy car don't insure. For seize that car off of the road because you don't have any insurance to be on the road. And you don't want to give me a name and a badge number. I will be reporting you to your superintendent. Yeah, I will. Because normally you're supposed to give me a name and your badge number. You're supposed to assist me. You are the security of the country. You are the security of the country, and these are rude behavior. Rude behavior. So,